niri erangijiga asedukejiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bukwege na muna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikira no tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukejiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamangi bakere simbwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Karibu nainde semeiga yege karori tukulia lero iki aitanto kwanta mange kwa mono igori county ya Nyamira na igori county Nyamira ntora kora koje kwanira na mange na ganta kwani kona county ya Kisii boigo na boigo ense engima ya Kenya muraibu ense na atari techinta mcha Mount Kenya na arakore kanali tukulia lero kanisa ya mo ime yo mucho Nairobi kwa mono chinza mcha Kasarani na boigo abange gosia matenere birero bono kubata kana mono basko nyar kwa kwani kiwa chinsemo chia suneka litukulia lero mega nyumba ye goroba kugwase chinsemo echo na yanda mango mwanjumuri tojo kwa litukulia lero no kurigereria eikengi makuru litukulia Jumatatu kwikira lero kigalikia nyako bage kwene kigwa chinsemo asitokonya kwa tukusanga ebirengera litwenzi sobwamo je ni gongoro kwa haroni ototo nyingiri nabona botambi ngo bwaterana na head of state commendation Dennis Orioki na boigo Sam Yenda lero tikanjake na head of state commendation yabakwani batebi ngakiri tukulia cha lero ngakiri erire ende tujo chake wiki gocha litukuli yangi
kama yo minto awa host yo moja aroni nyingiri ototo ya mona aselibaga lero eliabali kwa mwake sengenjo chinsange inyega chamambia basoka no balia kenyoro yecherio alibono ninka and yaba quite unfortunate okerabono bantu banemba sirio bugima bwabo asacha bayiga toyiga babere no yomo no mwana yomo ole myaka around 17 years iga I think igacha muchango nere kere holiday
legal weekend
kia muhimu mano county disaster team yaiko mapema I think acting sub county administrator Obonchali oyole nende ward administrator Bomolenda na ba raise alarm mapema I think in less than an hour or in an hour the disaster team ya check ground ba able to rescue bantange bane abande basira quite unfortunate ababane ujumbe re ground nelinga ba tatomba arwalibwa bashughulikirwa bayamonere I think were in a critical condition lakini tokumusabira abo yana
abalende korenga no robot rwito rwomori kito yole ngorata ngambata na basiria mangemabo yokoranga na aro yo monta chinde yo menta gosirio mabwa chinsa chiamaga
ena boranyole latest ayo omo subcounty admin acting subcounty admin Victor Makana I think no alenge site ko mapema ndengine role isi ala mwe ya bantu baitogo cha mapema ko rescue abantu balia angana abange basiria magamabo endokoranga mambia une birenge byalenge ground okoranga lero preparation chialenge ase kasi yale kocha koruma
abantu basoe site
basoe site mambi ikona bokoranga quite unfortunate iko mambi na bayale kocha kwa more worse than this situation ya lero so mugala muwe na haki umpe county as much as yalenge disaster ba
response yalenge dwara na
response yale no deputy governor Njaika team on the ground njatema ko coordinate pole kwa familia na balia batara nyora nafu osabero ko bwana kwa bwangu
Sam.
Yes, na inche tiga ntebenga bakwani abakusimwa siasimore barimo kurierege karo itukuria rero. Number 1 ndaru na inche pole chiane ucha asichi family chiri chari cha nyarako bachiko twaro gwaku on my own behalf. Ntebenga bari bare sigitari bwana kwa bwangu na bari banyarako bagusiria magimabo egerenga twe pole ucha se family. Number ya kabere much as the county cooperated and then twaragaria abandi bakonyeka and the good thing in the sad moment getting rero igwete preparation sharing meaning that abantu bagotoka site and mona so kwa gacha chinyombe chibwate chigasinyinge abara gocha kwa bange to a point that na bayare konyara kanandake abantu emo barubwe namba bari bakonyora chingoma na bari bagosiria mariki mabo anena mono anyara ko ba igose nambe nyara ko bage ko bayiguru igento kende arono toto have asked na kore tomugano go muisekulia
mosbati yo siletwe mwembero gora
you gwete sechoime and when you looked at the foundation and then area bakery you could realizing the quality yechi chuma chiri chatumegete nabo cyarenge chimbe
it was that sasa in waiting yani
na inde bono twanyorerega igekore kende kekorekana asensemeri yasunika from what we saw the quality of no energy chuma cyarengali ncyarenge ngia na kurwa bwe korengana na biro keroli na kurumaya gabwe nyombe nga yarenge ngia and we ask ourselves I think chikwende nchiro chichigo chibody wose chisemo chiri chiteneta mangana yobwagachi maybe we will know nga instead kichi atagati wose nga wose nchya granite wose nchya ligireti ebirengo byenyombe na materials chiri chinyara tako bachiko tumeka wacha sinyomba bune chiko andaigoro muntu nene fundi enamba yende efundi yare kwaga cyo munjini oyo wekirekere ngeke agotumeka chichumo gose materials cyarengali nsukuru kia kite to a point like agotumia maybe materials chitaisaini gose chitabwenereti
otagenda ase details chichuma na bintu binde enyombende kekene kesi ya kabera I think abonchali ase ngakie ya wangoga nyombende njago I think last month yabe although casualties in Jarengo nende nyomba njabage kogwalia in a similar situation ndoma itiko sene mbura but engineers imba totai team called National Construction Authority approve intervened no from the county government
lakini ndiko lengana ne statement mwabekire ga nelinga laro ne weekend yarenga ono naboko imagine ndi tukeria mambira yo chakabanga munabone kolengana statement yomo jumbe bwebunge ya Nyaribali Chacho Muskisairi Chanda agatanga it is with the profound sadness that I have learned the passing on of Geoffrey Nyakundi 24 and Nimrod Ondieki 23 from Nyameche Ofire Chibeno ward. The two were delivering bricks for the construction of the collapsed 4-story building. My heart goes out to the affected families. Meaning abana matobali bale tajo kole gasman. So iko mambi chiboni ngoja kutoka chenga chinyinge abayara lia banke na bago samba mache unaona ndo ngoleta usineno
ngoria lunch.
So my worry is sachinda saini sinchiale chyo koronga ko building ene bwanta ko condemned usibona ana mabole manga
manga I think a team ya quality assurance na bego sio kari construction authority auditing ojere ya korwa se obwagachi bunobo ba ranki kiagerete abanyole building ya bwate cracks or something bono aba manyimba tota ingi kiale lakini team nera ali I think from works office na beta keirara ta information clear the air and even a normal fuano I mean a message to abantu bandi bakwagacha chinyomba nonye during this season embulego twenyinga none chi wall ngocha chire chiawa chi perimeter wall no enchiri fixed buya igolende ne message to our people across aba careful none nyomba ase kwa gacho none chi wall chiro chi perimeter wall none bigita bye chi school this is the time okonya biko bwa buna abana bale chi holiday none geita na bana bako suguna na kebagwere I think is a wake up call bono go chimotua abantu babe bit careful onye building nere koroka nere condemned abana mbanya go chia saime there is a program wetakeire bakore mapping na bintu bindi
na ndo so there is a danger ya kamera mana gutuga bantu maranga tikatoga meza kajominyo mentality so abantu bo banda ko ba advertising akiba banda ku kwando situation mune echo
actually it should be bono ne nyumba gendere to bwagachi mwabale bono na beta keria be caution na koiga maiga machi nyumba chitarahera ne osa kuega kachinya si chiwoli geto basa kuguewa
yakara nginye tega tuenga bakengo tega tuenga kremre ya tule tiga kuiga kasomote tiga kwanda kuiga magosini yo motel ikia salse minyaka nyo kunyara minyaka ikai mape matoka mino kale gona kole ndetse onse na bionse noko ganinga bali bonse bali nyakitala banyaka bakonyora obobwenia neje matishanya kwachiria banje ba rabo banyara ko ba nyasa baremi elinde gakararinge konyara ko bali fasi dibona kiara beire batido mugafana mukonyi mugafana we county ya Kisii na nyaka baka kwene kinga ibitambukiro bantu ko bire ko imukigwa obutukubwana kigwa elio mwelio tambukiro ke mukigwa so dio ndibwansi ratoke ngana bwate amamocho kubwate kana amo nege kolikyo nande ndogo tanga kare tumne kya bere kebe kyo mwelio no nyangeli uchikia be kyo mweli lakini ndi na boto tanga nya ndio kubwa gwaito ngo sabweto kebe kyo mweli kunde samungo chiko kwa ngwa korete story mneiga matukuma ke gaitire tima itinga chi reporting ngo chichiri chiacha chiroje padaye ekarobo tukebwa kwalire abantu bataye go sechitigo chatega tu assume ngi ngakitoko chitu ngayitutakeri go kora next bana tukoje batukibwa chaki we ubo tukingana kibole bitamungo mukubire arafu metime
bana maite bono bunakeria kyo musubati ulia usomo no manyara ko lenga kyo no mwanafunzi urenge ase school ya GIT ose Kisii National Polytechnic and ubo tukingo korbu arenge kukaramuna tu abwatiti bakali tukoleria matanga kurobono maite into tokoganya anga what next what follows gukurwa se serikali ose body area tenene tamangana yobotuki ose kuruchizemo chiricha disa I think maybe we go and find out as Gatembe now that we did the story trying to find out kurwa se familiar ringa how far they no botuki obwabo yakogera bosirio mo bugima bw'umuntu gusira in those very bad ways ose chinchira chiricho botutukano abekorokana ngane gentekebe nainde ikinabokora abeka nakina condemning anko bolinga inki omo bosoyo tenete chi obwaga chi oboiga andake na rochinga saini sinchara ngo choku kwe nyomba bune nandi nyomba bana bune yegotira ko chigoro igetagete no bwaga chi bwaga chi bore quality sababu ana magima yabantu mbali bakwaga cha abanyene before etaraera nandi gento ko tanga yakerende konyora try care maybe yara ko banga abantu bamenye time gusikonyora yara abantu bamenye time you see it could be another problem but you are not saying abone yakora kanankera fadhali
biamono hayo yange paite we nigente ke kore kianyara ko bage gwichania abantu abange getaro beriri ko kore kabande banye ko abange banye ko bagotoma chingora chia bujese ya mate chia sia banje babona byabyanyaga bikurwegwa ase umujumbe w'ebunge yabo basi Mwasike Innocent Obiri umujumbe w'ebunge yabo Nchali Mwasike Dr. Charles Onjoke umu director wa Performance of Kenya Mwasike Purity Kirera n'abandi abange na twensi yasobwa moni gotogo tumengora yitugo chese ya mateli nyara kabage gusira bamakorende ajuo na ajuo atatonyora magega kitu ewiki yatanto kwande tigoro ye county ya Nyamira asobwa galikigima kobwa mono ase e county ko double county county that tima tinga ito no magavana bwe katabugati
double assembly
te to kwanira na amangana yetu anya to kwanira onsi magaya yana jete to karora senate ke kurwe birengereri a igoro ya ibitambo kurwe nya ko bage ko imuki senate ya samu ndio mo si mo control budget atagere ko yaresanga buja ninga ko achibe asase county ya Nyamira na ubotumeke bwe achibe asase Nyamira ngaibo kuru machinani go semujini ebinga mune igo chagoche singo ngo saini chibe cia soka na yande gocha abanyankoba kurinde ege ndongere kamugia korekanete ege ke intachindike koirania ebirengere bya bantu maega oyo mona rochete bosibwe kagambiro koteba nga senate tebwe tukongerea obukoreri bwe county assembly ya Nyamira nga mandate yabo nengao timadinga ne confusion yege koreta mo confusion ko seningi to chakira bwese bono ebwe no to chakira ko ya project ko rwenchire yunga ngaki assessment yene wiki yengi manga kikolengane birenge to nyate kwa to kurwa kolengana wanaju na bagenda kukwana gocha na what the way forward.
I guess you're going to answer, which is okay. Just some we gotta stand by and take it tired. I think it's a good thing. It's a good show as a Senate. It worked. It's a little bit long overdue, but this could be the right time. Kero ama mocha machiriko rokana aberata to. Pamanyo tuare basis. You argue their case. Mugavana no alenge Senate the other time as committee a CPAC. Na boja igete karokananga igero koiranirania tali enchererengia. Inyolege count walenga ogasanganga asobu wakalenga mistake a problem nero ya rokanega cover. I'm told mbachi to extend mbachi to toma liuko go say someone ya somo governor bweka bado mbachi to extend to the control of budget and they can further to the 2 clerks chiclerk chibere again I'm also told the control of budget iga ko work lia bunge mashinani na approve the budget yao lia kero iga machitiko kano work ne timu yamo aka approve budget yabo even the 2 speakers ndengimba ile chisamon abaro bapierende baruwe birangara byabo ngaki between the 2 ngole ligo ngotali ligo asengencho oyuchiete omenyogata court asengencho role Senate in error very clear explicit they take care of the interest na bono ba korokananga are in charge
interest je county
they take care of the interest je county inclusively whether there is an assembly or an executive counties in general because one ko baabale a bill area division of revenue na ba konyetia ba allocate chibes awdanga function take care of mu ahirwe then money will have to follow you in as much as they are all hearing is at the county level babu whether their roles chire distinct chire very clear ke ba okora ababa ko ba chibese after to akoire chibese ndo to follow up chibese chi tongi chi okora
ndoko ba chibese to ganda ko ba
gazi to teli ko ba chibese chi oka that's why governor gocha ya answer some queries equally no one accounting officer mo inalia the national at the assembly county assembly comes in error answer some questions oira nelinga chibese tu abaire ngakimwa chi utilize I think your at the court is a little bit alarming and attention to whether they go diverted to elsewhere rokanenga neki na kendekera nto wananchi mba focus on the governor or summoned in the plenary which is the committee of the full house nende obogetirianda bwa montomo babere mboja borokane motwalia oyada te gotoira attention yagenda ngao nto focus mo ina ase bintu bitakeire which is very normal as siasa umuntu na wako divert attention kende gionse na bwakoba I will not be surprised konyoranga maybe omugavana maybe the 2 clerks
the 2 speakers
or the 2 speakers oyo amoko go feigning na arwalire ebintu nebinge birabe we are yet to see a lot of theatrics and drama which motua yukere ya mebonga mondo tigara minyoka coding Senate yete bwati nguru chogo to samona bintu binda which is very normal. There's a lot of politics here at play siasa na bego chia supake ndorose abande baje batanga Senate okongo ntoko takatomoro lema na bwati interest na bintu binde moving forward
Patrienda sana to una bado abago chakata mbata tuma morore bado na abago chakani barore kabisa kana kala jiba chiko chako nga nyamira nete to kama ndonye ne jiba soka sana to ko mugeni atoka
nenda beta to ko kala jiba chiko bago na jiba oyo bono gasi ya equally nenda bono wikabe ga ko follow up na gasi ya no go samoni gunga nkika 100 I think kiaire sana taliba kali nenda sana inasema jasi tarokanenga Senator Kongo Omogeni na rosukumete agenda ye equally koleta Nyamira on that limelight in as much as challenge chia very choko sinyuko solve problem we na mo some leveraging up to the level ya chire paka gia ikire Senate yego takogamba ekenege ndeki number 2 omona inchi na ale konyo uta focus at mona asechise ye chigandrete between the 2 clerks and senators I mean na speakers bono na chanyo ore an opportunity at the national limelight na chayu kubirengereri
no bidiata
bali bakamanyete mbache baro then of course the other county assemblies all over the country bache baligereri barorenga
president ingo sati gwere ku
yes if we do a similar mistake or what wara landing kiyocha kia and it's likely to be a very strong warning to our county assembly accounting officers or clerks bacha bamanye exactly ngiyokoro na ba county I'm not so sure whether the county assembly service board they're invited because it is also part and parcel ya amanganaya ngakia chiete to appoint acting clerk level yayo acting a year mpaka what are the limitations or your lengo ba suspended what happened those scenarios na bachiko ta ko play gali toro lengi kere
sam kero kuligiria mangana yonsi kolengana muna dance uri kya bekirega na karo komendo suke mutu wake asiji committee na jitikuria raisinga karo committee ko ikaransa senator eli ekunire gobara round ne batali member ya committee mna mo sipa kimo senator nyonga tali member ya lakini akobara round ko ye ki interest jiko kwani rwabu ne chia ichi mochi yabo igente ke kionsi ya inga kibwa kerigereri wiki ingi makogocha gocha
so kumandane ke kwa kwanire they say you become a friend to the committee if you are not there one okubo musani we committee you sing in your interest na de igente kinkoba nkwala obare na umo senator na bono nyonga yangusi na bako interested kumanyanga nkikegendrete so according to me I see no problem when the senate bako summon umo governor Nyamira na bonse bali bosikane se chisege chiga kogenda se senate egere baba erese nganki kigenda ta second Nyamira I don't know Toto who are the champions of devolution
senators
they are the senators and they have a right yogocha goikasi county komanyanga kigenda kitora atwarere senators baichinga a committee of health togenda kisi tomanye the situation of maybe KTRH kero tuare a committee of livestock again derigelinga ki the situation of maybe Obotuki maybe Gosene county ya Mandera that is one of the way bono tuatwarere totabanga ina committee ya lego something of Lego and justice something that and I say county ya Nyamira because there's a problem, there's a crisis there so I see no any problem but again you find out in the Kenyan politics to divert attention yana mnyoka kotinda weke kotoda stop the Senate I think they are getting it wrong and Nyamira is one of the counties as one ebwene to tumanye ko tuare solution what is going on because I don't know Toto abantu bakumya mwana bananchi aba raibarabo nabo politics have played but you find out that mwananchi bintombirwa bitarikoska ande kenege ntoro chenga etobwate an alatmata munga toko bachora mugende for 5 years mwanyara ko mukoreta amagendera se county chi kero toro je bindebigendete there is a suspension of amagendero lakini kwa makanyoranga amagavana na abandi ngonyora bare umushahara oro batiriko ba suspended ngochore in full package but why do we take an initiative why do we take a step yokomizo mwananchi so Senate should now look into this thing naro chomo governor aliyo tabanga era tariki rirube ko chiase urwa Senate kumusamo ninga I think anaba speaker bali kiretu I saw something and it's factual that na tebato lakini rende it is good to have summoned egaragende igalia ase county go say ase ebunge ya Senate anyara ko baga kweranga era konengana nerenga inchike kegendrete asenseme yiga toma konyoranga according to ere ebunge elia okoranga go side nero go sabwa toro mbere liguchi ne ya mashinani oroche to a point that someone from the accounting can approve the budget ya mashinani and then then you find there's a problem then he approves or maybe an achieve so we need to know what is really going on with the county of Nyamira egeranga yarenge tekigia chire you know Nyamira has been a talk of town turigeringa chise mechi chinde na chiro chichi county chinde will they learn from what is happening from Nyamira keko geranga kerenge tokia happening actually ge correcta amafunzo gose ogosemi uches county chindenga igento munege karo kia beire ekeneki na bogekoba mwaita abantu bare ba learning maybe the impeachment of a deputy governor can go through karo baro dira abantu bare batari kwamini karo bakoigwa because it in rare cases abantu tokora bako ba impeached bona ba governor so this one will create a learning session which has a governor, Nechi County Executive, and all of them. So everybody, who is responsible for the happenings in Nyamira. I went to talk about someone, the 2 clerks, the 2 speakers, because one I got to work over it, no governor, Kabere, as a county ya Nyamira, one ever a dual government, county government ya Nyamira. Are you seeing?
Naro, lakini are deputy.
Ole
governor.
Utuliete.
Wanyete. Ntoke saleke.
Na karo to kuligereria bintu yanse gatwa birgereri ntachinde mo control budget onyekale ku side na mashinani zachite sababu ya rone linga oyo mo speak mashinani na lengo na ba ngo dire initiative for the first 2 years ye county government ya Nyamira ngore gote ku notify nga speaker ya rusigu ya chire ngaetere gosengo bwente go sign gotabanga bono speaker bwente go dire na no mungao elindati go dire na okera dire na Nyabaro such like things even them nechi loophole chat gatesa serikali yani se koros kulichi kulia mangana de for units dio go experience ajinde ngangi gebanta ko.
I think biamono Arun, I think a process yoko leta yoko replace a speaker somehow teraba complete yoko replace Enoch Okero as the speaker near midway. So under that Kwagemaya state, no any control of budget will somehow get confused in between. Assuming Taranyora communication that the new speaker Nero, the assumption could be status quo remains. The number 2, still if the speaker Okero, outgoing speaker, still exercises authority na other instruments of power bado jire at his disposal na bawe exercise some level of authority is able to communicate your team ya enero na abwate clerk you know whatever the clerk you go facilitate your county assembly bado na her office and that communication are charged with naganda konyakora still you may not take offense with the control of budget. However, the state at which confusion here in Nyamira, maybe she could be learning as a control of budget, she could be learning what is happening from the news, but formally communication and there's a way how it is communicated.
Maybe through the Gazette notice.
Gazette notices, of course, there are court orders, there are stay orders, so up to one point, Taranyora, of course, now other advisors, Taranyora exact position. Omanya nendenga at the county level. Ntobuate, there's an officer from the control of budget or talk every county or what is happening. The control of budget, based on the support to go say advice from the county officer, a representative your control of budget at the county level now in Nyamira, based on that advice. She could be working under that advice. Ingalende, in as much as intobuate factions, speaker, speaker, clerk, na montonde, still, jebono mwabese ground, mtu wa mkono a position yere nere. And maybe the reports, even the correspondences between the county officer from control budget, with that office ya Enoch Okero, na beko gendera that rapport abutoka awaiting. Maybe they are not even allowing much of the resources chigende. Further, in as much as Bako put their request, they may not want to follow much of the procedures. Who is the speaker and who is not the speaker, who is in court and who is not. They could be looking at the accounting office ababugate. No role yoyo. Is he the right person to work in there? Maybe that is the window akalipo work in there.
Na ekapu neye maybe koligera liko. Is there a possibility nga bunge chonsibire bunge ya mashinani yende chialikire gostieti gosne budget. Chi budget ye chibere chiaranda the office of the control of budget at the same time. Have you imagined
it is possible. It is possible that could have happened, and based on the, I know at the level you control of budget now we got a legal team, legal department. It must have given some advice. This is what you're supposed to do. Still, more or less the same when you are yet to get finance bill, have a finance act, even at the county level.
You referred to the previous one.
There are allowable expenses you are in even without getting that act or bill formalized. Maybe that is an area they are looking at. Nothing much could be happening because of the political impasse here earlier. But you know, we're also weighing. This is what we can be able to give you. If it is a budgetary implication, maybe they are allowing some bit of allowance where they can also come back. This was illegal. You are supposed now to be either you return that finances into the coffers or say we surcharge you. Maybe they are seeing a window where they can easily get the clerk. It's also good chisamoni chiata and whatever the legal avenues you are using ko kole binteria to tebing
kondo tainga inga yuru tinguru choko kara wan
to tebing kongi gyako ya dachinguru kole gente
na akaro samo comment igoro ye kwende igoro ya yonsi agenda ko boli rubelia COP na ugutume kwechi besa na ndinga bwente ko kole mirimo nere igento kendeli boli ndeli ko chiko go chaneli eli nonye eche singo ya kulira nae igoro akaro ntubwate estababwe kogera akaro nyene county assembly ekoba egochaka bakwa those instruments chibwate chire chisil na MS ne bintu binde biko banded over maybe from one speaker to the other nchirnire authentication yebinte biko ranga kinye esirie ya jire ya machine nere original ya jire ya ikire Nairobi esirie ya kwende teri original ko esirie ya county assembly ya Nyamira reporters nere buya such like things onyembiyo ngaki because somebody now wrote to get secretary kali ko somanga Nyamira na ba kora nechi county assembly ber muna na wrote anyole ko one of the counties nero ko banga nanji tiga to ale county assembly ya neibere do jigende kambi ke kali ko genda
ono I think Richie Kuritoria 2010 ilibona igari yandrete mirimo actually korengana na bari barete even the political class ngota yabarenge ndiarengiri kiranu like igori yarenge I think was it 85% and hawa kwagi unga ndiarenge kiranu I think chigapo chimbono chigenda to kunyakorokana even
on the same garoga ndrete I remember Tom na Mwamba na alengo yo mawase bali barenge ko against the constitution uyole mumro mwaba pabu na Mwamba equoti ya yabete ekatera luchi campaign chance bia ngota yabanga there is no clear of separation of powers as a constitution yenye
bono kwa makanyoranga chigapo chintu kwate chire chinyinge na muno chitari kobeka kilialinga na kie ebintu mune bigenda tokoroka and in a constitution yenya to isakoligereria because traina miaka mingi iko bono negendete koba implemented na andi bintu mbiro bigenda tokoba interpreted in court na kie kigego tebana kiokoranga we have a lot of court summons
advisory opinions
advisory opinions nechi court order chinyinge esenge njonga ebintu mbiro bado bitari konyara koba bikoba clear nga ngikenda tokoba gucha senseme yeri chiko andake ebine bintu binde tokenda tokora birebiya muramona ikenda tase ensemo ya Nyamira such that rero iga tokora nene issue eto banyara ko bagote bangangi kegendrete at the end of the day egento bune kecha ko happen in another county na batoko manyanga kuruwega uchigege bwente ko baigana igana so in one way we are trying to implement to interpret the 2010 constitution ono korengana buna gwate aba igente kintu kwa the last time ko boringa ki asichi message bere to gwate clearly nga nereliere copy usinereliere clear nga maene PNL
ya chagite county
ya chagite county na ndege ndrete because to gwate bere already and ngatabega clearly nga because the governor igare korokana kuba cited to ebunge ya mashinani including the executive aware including the part of the executive aware as county ya Nyamira kwa sababu gani from the national government and the other places to already karomo usino mo governor so mo president ya soire iga kogenda ari tabasane baye nabo mo control of budget naba CS of treasury abana abantu bali
kwa line ditre basane baye lakini bali kwa line na
ne agenda ya yabugate kwarore bono bo me konyoranga as county ya Nyamira igento kigere tayons piaro ni singe njonga omo governor tarigo side na aba barase ebunge nyine kwa sababu gani abana ubali abange babwate emiya yo koraki kyoko mo impeach wana otaka gutwara nerenga asenda agende egere ku separate abantu aba tigagende na bunge mashinani abara babwatorwa mbere linere including mo speaker yorengo wana even the control of budget maybe go say olia oteneta mangana yo kwena na chibesa go chia say maybe amagenda akorekane in one way na bakonyanga igare sided to the governor to a point like na kiagwa approve na banga ara se crossroad na kiagwa approve usene budget yare ngase bunge mashinani kwa sababu gani oyo no monto nere arete tenga njumbu atisie gasi so na ebunore keroko reto mundu nga njuga igombo atasi koreta matobori ya no monto muigo na neke birengerari and you could not want kogenda maminjanere esengi jonero koreta ki era kwete mirimo bune yiga so we need to be told nga inki bono iga SMS ye okochirigeri chibweka ine chionsi okorigeri osana ne siri chionsi chibweka ine bono we don't know which is the copy which is the nini lakini akubola last time ngaki do we have 47 messages chiko barko nga Nyamira bwata kisi count bwata Bongoma bwata Kakamega bwata bono ejiji okopi mboro bokora nano ngaki ayatia tora abaye yende ko yende tariko kora
nani nawe chibwanta kwera ne chia koleru chia ngakire runga kora Nyamira kora take besi yin tora ngambiye otara niri otara comment Dennis issue dera igore ya chimes one of the excuses yego tumeka na kubwa mono ensemo ya bunge mashinani ya Nyamira nelinga messenger ibetukuru parliament na agency ekairu lakini parliament yegenderete so nkole nginga kega from where I sit yekenegendo isala ya better repeated many times baka ya better munamusia kene number 1 ms tarigento access ngoko so nyombo yo kanyore kere message that's why even before speaker so ke message ko tangana ko soka so igene excuse ke
messenger let me begin by dismissing claims in a messenger for Senate ntobuate dami mess sort of ya renge at the entrance ya National Assembly Senate ekeroko genda National Assembly Parliament bunge Nairobi ekaroko so Senate nchira buno gocha corridor chibandara cha counties no chire chionsi pikoru number 1 paka 47 actually 48 no ne ya Kenya no ere igoro yaye ntobuate dami mess ebekiro round yebanga bangire ebangiro ororo kerendere elieta karoli gotanga Kenyan Senate ero no ebekire igoro region zibarenge ko minyoka abande bayimoke chibandera chiri county abande bakaimokia eyanto twaroje bune dami mess and that is what they carried so elitali mess yarenge so to speak that information is misleading, it is untrue. The truth is Chimesi in Chiri serialized Jejija County. There's a procedure called procurement, and that work according to a transition authority. Now go procure, now go make sure kirege ntongere in place. No na machiko nara etete assumption office committees yo mugabana ngakiago cha committee ne reliye gocha yabange shere mpaka yaera. Ebinte bimbira in place. How the mess ya cheteko toka abunge mashinani abunge nyumbani is another story goja gotoka
lakini ebisire gati abunga ngenge mess ne tabo kiaga
MS is a simple authority kobero but then these are politicians, they can interpret it and they can have a target. I'm aware MS yigota tokoro they went for a mess but anyora again tokenge MS bagatumeka how they procured it procedure ya charity is another story gocha gokwano muinani. You are talking about the seal ya documents yarabe kuna bintu bintu no ja they were able koligi pake mess bakaligia improvise
esiri yaiko bora
esiri na regas they can easily get that basoti
gazette notices
no I think chiro not a big deal. This is Kenya, they are likely to do a lot more. So then what we are saying get up to the level now when Senate are recognizing we have two assemblies here.
Yes.
Because igeko majikoma spitting resemblance ya whatever mashinani yebwate na bunge nyumbani yebwate kuma jikorokana more or less the same thing babwate a clerk whether it's acting or substantive
shadow yani
toko nyagoro ka shadow because shadow yolende nere go reflect yende na wajire ibere speaker nero mwana hawa so time ngakimu asogeti umagasoyo is another process etakire kuanerwe maybe by the court or something else to legalize that process ono go ike senate because nere go take care of the interest chichi count go ike barangeli mwensi nchwe either side into go the chinguru na jegete mobo the chimes mobo the clerk speakers imbaro inchungo mwensi to bategere once to abategere then we will give our opinion more or less extra judicial because quasi kind of again they are being this is the position
just then, like an advisory opinion
they'll do an advisory opinion but that ruling whatever bago chako kebeka na weko bearing even the resolutions here Senate nchikonye what ekigo chako chimotu moving forward it's a critical one ali nabenga mini court whatever bago kwa nalia ngebwate some binding sort of
last comment igoro ya ekwende ya Nyamira nyuma tutare na ne county ya Kisii Nero in one way or the other nebwate tikraki bere bonaiga on paper literally ko se bota vitu batika kitura define lakini jiro lakini go kwa na tole ya samara comment igoro ya Nyamira tubagora na tole igoro ya account ya Kisii what is going to happen because kodanga in one way na wala nyatoko nyago kubwati baratro cha bana mito kurmuino
one thing that I teba when you look at kerago compare these two speakers and we spoke this thing tukatebanga keroro mu speaker igore an ex officio kama koranga mu speaker bunge nyumbani mwanyero kama
bunge ya headquarters
na mashinani na bunge eliere headquarters una kwata kama koranga nionere usakuligire the legality ya service na very questionable kwa sababu gani a speaker is someone who is an ex officio meaning that you need to went an elected member of county assembly you went to an ex official officer ono oyoro already Thaddeus Nyabaro is an elected MCA of which tara give his resignation letter useri robaliriyo kumutiye kasinga bono inche na achoro kubomo speaker ekiroge kebe declared vacant ekeranga maybe gonye kwiriri bari koreki dirwo mon ekinege ndokena kakutugo chakoranga what is the legality aye keroro bisi and you need to be an ex official member who should not be an elected one nga ya senate letter yo tabanga bono na atire ko bomo MCA jwa no speaker asenera abwateretenga nkobwaterega kera abe bado nimbwata asenkoreki asenko genda uchapo igo ebinega tie bintu binde toko chakulireria gari ya senate egerenya ko bageko totabinga what is the way forward when we have a sitting speaker who's already a member of parliament I mean a member of a county assembly because you go to my tenga omonto ko be deputy speaker maybe at a senate or say national assembly or say including the county assembly is nero went to be elected member of parliament, member of a senator or even member of county assembly nero went to be deputy speaker. But how comes we are having a sitting MCA who is again doubling koba member minimum speaker and even omoshara konyora no rulio is it na marupupu akonyora ngabona eno igoro mu county assembly twa komentanga bono na ndike tukumente chi bonus kidogo singe njoro mu speaker usega akoli bo mu speaker na ndonyora we as a member of county assembly
I was a situation is no necessary sie ko chakora kali bono tuzukanda dewe sama kebegire na sara sa determination commission na beraje range tenga gia ega kiko baga na wanda ba bokoli ga Nyamira tima tusino bwata comment yende igoro ya Nyamira nyuma tara tambuka swa gusi Dennis tutai kisi ka utari
ko kwane ya Nyamira ntambukera niko I think this is the right time Nyamira konyore lasting solution as challenges ye chicha ba bere ba go tuara for the first time where confusion ya bere ga ko ba tuara renga a conversation ya soire towards getting a lasting solution di chibuli ya bere ko be bit of a challenge konyora liro mwelekeo however whichever way you can take care again akoranga umugaba no sitting na bara chanyo ole ekerero sana ko chimotua siasa nere gocha gwakwa akaroko nyerigere libuya ngotoje totware losers and winners.
Yes.
Ingocha moina former clerk James Nyaoga na roche opinion ya Public Service Commission CEO, you could correct me.
Yeah.
Ebirengere lyaruete inga it wasn't procedural enjera
James Nyaoga
Ruseti office whatever the way it was, impeachment or whatever the process yarenga ali akaba replaced.
Initially a bit suspended.
It was suspended. Achieti gotegererwa ebirengere bigacha buna biachete finally akagenda. In my opinion, it is coming a little bit too late. That advisory at the right time. It's more or less like what happened with Misati, the gentleman who was a witness, I think, in Nagia, former deputy governor Kisii County. Oyoje the Mayagadanga na beta coach tinga de weka iga kwa na iga bid more deputy governor again. Some information here go cha kenyolire onolende tata konye lakini rende korokananga siasa kwa
on the issue ya James Nyaoga kolengana ne liuko lili kirenga James Nyaoga bwanda ko reinstated I will benefits chair chance from speaker na ndaira na cha kolega sia from speaker atari ko inko sona no depends ine kurwesa Public Service Commission tima tinga kwale tireta bino ya advisory some other people by ngojibeka muna ugochika uko na chat some
that one has been overtaken by events. Tonisa kwa bwati buya
of course ngona chake go account ya Kisii njagete ko chore assembly ja chore to mo crack mo yole chako bonkeo oyo gebeira bisinga for almost half a year
or plus. What I'm saying to reverse a process, this is what normally happens in the circles. It is so difficult to reverse something that has happened a little bit legally. Go and more or less the same a procedure go say process I'll give you a perfect example. If there is a mistake karochikura chia kirwe chobo jumbe obo governor obo MC obo woman rep karochia kirwe omonto korokunga a returning officer akore mistake announce a candidate ye ngao amo ebake certificate, then immediately after that by realizing basomire chichi amachibu yo monto mo ngao paka no ene raro lenga na asomire amachibu yo monto mo ngao. It will take the same almost the same process konye reverse. It will be as difficult as it was or yogotangazwa omanya ko irani wororo. What am I saying? Impeachment process eli achiete ikarusio mo clerk Nyaoga office James boikoro kaneko gotenenia ogocha kuoyonde emanyo kobera raisi ayoge andere lakini yotige procedure pakegenda pakomo elio mondas office no uli osoiro office equally na bawanza kueruanera survival yaye ono na beko ba egetiro sana in opinion ya rwetu ya be short and clear in opinion ya rwetu ya a little bit late.
Benefits maybe na nyole
benefits kichira rwani kwa nyole timanye tinga case service board yakota, but a procedure is more legal than just how do we call it regular logical whatever the arrangement maabera talia bantu bachete bakaruana bakamochenjia nesegere it's a political environment recharged ekaroma amwete ngango gandole
on the same gente kingia ngirete ngaika karangaligere ligoro ya sijui kama ilikuwa wajia sio mgavana ruseti wabisi mo deputy governor akabasuo nin akakolega asino mo deputy governor for 6 months then 6 months later ikigambiro gatayabanga mo governor ya ruseti wabisi ke makosa mo deputy governor ira negasi yae no mo deputy governor yo chore tukaba mo deputy governor ira negasi yae ale ngono gradually kiro montaira ne step back maega so
it happened actually. It was in Wajir, I guess.
Yeah, Wajir.
That deputy governor was sworn in akabe governor.
Yeah.
Egaraba sworn in akabe governor. behind the scenes namanya taking ankero still akancha tigagende abugati normal procedures jebina akagende bina paka bika korwa then court had to overturn the whole thing
ira na kobe deputy governor
there's I think the same county no governor atogete tabugati papers ekarata anyo tuna papers sire buya akanyoga bwa dupias papers lakini Supreme Court yakamwira ni ofisi yakate the way omo ngwano yononya Onyo obwate tunama sakarata limaya lakini the way ya conduct iri obeire bune governor conduct iri na man go suggesting na amanya thank governor so we are not looking at papers only we also
representation
ya more authority the way he has been conducting businesses ni sakarajoka tabwat but governance ya rock and renga nera atpa
so again the jana wakingo teba umaite a process after montana arokoba ka obere impeached ochire koti urane reba atrenga ya muntu tarusiribia I think maybe it's more of benefits yara again to give kara rwanda maybe benefits anyora chiri abwana tokonyora buna bona you see omo raibense omo koro omo konjbo raibense omo koro weto by chance nero chire koti I think if it happens like a koti tebanga bono Rigathi Gachagua tosokiri usita ba impeached in a legal way area wendete I think already we have gone a step ahead nto bwato mo konjbo murayimuya na ndeke bono chiabenga sympathy or whatever maybe again tara nyor benefits chiri are go enjoy as maybe as a deputy president. So whatever that is happening in Kisii County Bono Orioki akebekanga oyoro one ere na atake gotwara some survival tactics na bona soka genda guchia gosi reverse iri mwate banga mu gavana kaire no ya kaire na guchia kero monda kaire negasia so na beko benga negasia. I think those are some of the things chigap chiri twata banga chirase constitution chitaraba clear on how should we interpret this thing because eye na bengenga a constitution egegen rete ko ba tested nga ekekerugi akorekana nkiye akorekana so that yecheko ba a future reference nangi akorekana te maybe Nyamira was in Kisii County and how do we go about this. So ntuta itoka ndese route our brothers baribu na wagebekanga ntoka ndese route yase maybe county ya Nyamirere we kerenge kyo because it will be a waste of time, waste of resources, and again to kira nyakoba gekore to butukanu kidogo na and more of nobody maybe we again te kiabanyorre una bono the clerk of maybe Kisii County erna bwente justice much as you are looking it's a legal process but again naro justice ni bwente okor ni bwente kuligeru from that side maybe justice yarabo no konyora anyore benefits chi enjoy kidogo iga egarega si yakore
we are waiting to see tororenga ngetambo gichemsi nyawo ga koimukia na ndenge tambo gerogina jako bonge ono yoro obisi na koimukia ne county assembly ko se county assembly service board na ronge tambo gekoimukia karo no bokoleri bimete
we mwali andake na eba utoto I think ntobwente ko twara ultimatum yebi nabune bikero bikukambunga ikinteke by now totabenga onyo muntu yobeire impeached onye tuma ultimatum nga bono you have 14 days of file kineki kenachu
abantu barengere
bintu binde ndoko gendra tuachire bosipaka twebire gentekyo nanko makonyonanga maybe muntu narusitibu obisi asenjire tagwenete genteke gebonte ko twara limitation of time nga bono twagosoki onyo ko roche nga ntoko soketi asobya usitobe impeached asobya genda kote and kote kineki kebtabunga within this month and this month ekineke kianachiru such that oyoro obisi gosoyo gochikobekwa again reko twara obisi bono again reko obisi bono look at the way we are having a confusion whereby misati ochirenge genteke igona abete coach tingatabunga agenda don't go sana abete coach dikorera aria senate buna rete lakini bono ngai gotobeka buneke nga gosenga bono munda nera tebenga igokwa soket kubose ushedi bwa rutinu bwa bakora nande bono irana where does it put us
justice bono ga confusion ni gocha
ngai justice yekuruira bono ngai gase again taking point ko bekunga onye kwa be impeached before mu governor ataragenda head kogenda gochora umo deputy governor onde twakoire 14 days ogenda koti twara nero chinga kinga within this time again te kiare such that nabori yo gochorwa maitenga igondo bisi.
Of course some time rate chinjiro te bona chiro nga to bwate butambo kire binko monto chakire kina magistrate court kenda high court kenda high court kenda court of appeal kage chiko kwa supreme court ko jange miaka na nebere ya eljo
no tro chinga we that's creating a lot of confusion na kitota bangali chikeli ndi bwate chigap chinge ichinjo bwana tekoba koro kiunga na kinto bwana tekogenda way forward
na enkaite garoto turatambo ke to sukake to so national asinini Maraibu nsananya takabago tara jinsi mochi ya Mount Kenya wiki yaita kuri Jumatatu baka ko teli tukulia Jumamosi ngagerete tukulia goro tukulia rero ngaite kubwataka nayo mo jibura bunjana tikwese mo konye Maraibu nsomo koro maskirga tigashagwa ikirana natanya tabaga korage biara masa ya muguchi state house so Maraibu nsomo ske William Ruto tima tinga comment yeno national bona ro eyibona ire channel check na Dennis nationally a wiki yengi manga kijabere from where you sit
biamono nationally omo president natalete finally omulima which was a good thing to do because Kenya nene and asebali bago rokunga mbaroba mwata chikura nere buyaira no perhaps ko bataimbu yamono na binto binda ba promised ekaro koligere limono asechi promise chieta bono kanyengima muina alia egetunu ko bwanonya ndoje mata elek se evali much of the promises in ochi chieta and nearly kirenga to whom much is given a lot is expected bono lende Ruto kaetu chikura chinyinge too much was chinyinge paka tomanyete bali toko kananga ntobwate upinzani as a president tota ko claim some level of entitlement una kusinto sabete chi minister chiba no ani berega chi PS no ani berega na binto binde biche lakini ndeka roko boli ngaimu abegete chikura chino twanyoranga otora better off to boli baba no to abegete chikura chino to whom much we gave him we expected much ko ruasa
already is in broad base
na kitokuo akire akalioga kaya baba lende kitu akoete much of the votes chitu tukalina Ruto chikura chia otako irani okobako wasinyire ko irana lakini ende na bora nyole ngokibole buye ebinto bibere to expected egatunu ali namba yamo president te utubia onde te nyoro onde go utubia
abantu basoka
go se basoka bakei olende toseke abatobwate ebirengera libyeito byokoleta omwana itobo president 2027 tukakeganya sana but ntuwa budget ko disappointed yakanga abantu abakonye bagotanga president yamo obagose kainende mwaru mwacha bange muko iririata muko akachinkobe moire chibandere amangina bali pare street bagotenga ne chiata ya chirichiege koro traditional hata ya sichiege culture kikege ndarata buna bande bagoteba ground kelie kiaro setigwe kiabete stage managed
mobilization
kaba mobilized ya kabesa kagatara nyaro onolende enamba nere abete disappointed yende kaba shocked kumbe na banamba asiye jinende chimwachaika a number of people most Kenyans expected fireworks to some level some of those expectations jabete met because ntwaro cha sande apa jumbe bago kirigwa bago tenga kira
kwa mno Maraibu abange musikike mane chungwa na urabusana
abange kimani chungwa na ogeretwe
amurata
bantu mbakeretwa mama liogiali ekitinanya clip kemo omo president yakuogeru akine naberenga ne message ya etwekara bantu bae akuogeru
odenga no muyore na baba be
abana bwa babe bantu we surrounded na barabona babe
ndo bwa magosa na
nende na wo tikalete boka quite a scenario but my honest opinion nonye ground giachire ka percentage ngale katikalete either katikalete karagere bose
katikalete serious
bose katimetenga ngai bagalire monto keto ga soire moina ali uri bagalia onole ale forced kobo asengenjo
circumstances
asaro cha koswa tararo situational leadership
So according to what I saw in Mount Kenya, the other time toko kwandra I think ne gazette toko kwaneta na matida toko tabanga umuraibwense nara allowed kwenda anywhere because aba Kenya nguru bari taxes the same way acheta say the lakeside agacha chisemo chirichi akaganda chisemo chirichi cha tokurukanga western nere akaganda eastern achete akaganda coast one ochire Mount Kenya na barabu they deserve lakini rende alino wanyorete lige sari nyinge na ende koroma ate lige sari nyinge lia tokire na ara expectation chikoba chirego bono abantu baraba kwa expectations chinyinge ngomura ibwense anda kakogenda ali abantu balimba tene bamotebinga no must go is a message buni lakini to surprise akanyoka abantu nande bachire lakini nje according to me abantu bachiete ase utuba gose asomura ibwense arenge abantu bachiete ni kisababu chinyinge abanda ko yo kwanjira no mura ibwense no arenge no tari kwanjira nere no arenge umuntu naro chiete buna bono totebo tokera abantu bagocha matanga ni kisababu cyabo umuntu naro cha matanga nyore ndagereria matanga naro cha kolero muhiri oyo baro yondo cha
yonde
naro sio yonde naro cha koleta mwita abantu na matanga squeezing wale platform umuntu outoka orere channel yabwate because haribo ne situation yakire the same case abantu bali bachita sensemeria Mount Kenya korumura ibwense naro tanya korumura ibwense akatabanga tikamnyo kenkore ngende morore naro lengera tinga ndako mwato gosera korutari gusiyoka kore ekore kirasa abantu nkonyora bale kende tiangende gusini nyoro no mugati bwelituko ona naro chiete ito mujumbo yana ngo nande bunoko enda at least mujumbo pakato tiangende singi jumbo naro chiete koranga ki abantu gose baragenda ali pakano murayibinse so kiro muntu nabo ate sababu yoko genda igalia ase mukutana mu murayibinse ntuaroche casualties bako toko abantu bari baogerere tu kabisa libawo chikukwana bakogerere ngainu mu bwenti kuogera this was a clear message that ama NP ground kidogo kikartaki nge shifted na abantu bataka gusomera lakini abantu abamure nabo na barasomeru ese nje maybe bare as compared to the president and abantu baraba wete maybe gukwanira ujigo gusomera murayibinse because they could have imagined nga oyo no muntu monene at a level yo murayibinse utabona ntukokoreruga so nabera abetu muanjiti nabera abetu mutageti lakini maybe toko musomera because of that security again to gain that ngote maybe to me the translation of the mountain whether it has shifted or not ego to kali a ballot lichikura chiakiro because politics is numbers na to manyanga abantu aba mogo tebanga ba shift kurwa somora ibinse baona kana bota nyare ko bako tebanga maybe go say ground ya shift over here of course nge shifted lakini through the ballot through the votes no go chakoranga ama NP ground yenge shifted usingira shift korengana ni chikura chilichiko cha wako 2027 from the mountain is when we can translate whether this mountain ime shift ama tera shift yes
ekyo mwali sedeka ya mayamo ekiamo ya Jubilee na bokere serious no musika Fred Matiang'i nekiamo kya UPA na bokere serious no musika Fred Matiang'i bono okungusana bado mbaga ante kungusana na thima tinga bago chokole bado kiame kema bata bono Matiang'i asogo senga kibago chokuikara bakole kwende ndolo chomo mulikyo monebe kiame kyo in a minute mulikyo monebe kiame kyo gocha gusi na ande koteba engaite it is the third time mwachire gusi koteba ngantu kuna Jubilee Matiang'i
we are maybe in the business of we popularize wanyoria opportunity Matiang'i eliyetora ride on nelia Matiang'i especially gusi they sell so well karoko kwa nelitalia Matiang'i ogo drop elitalia Matiang'i abantu bata bas abu no
baga chingobe
so tindara chinguru chibekira se support towards Matiang'i mono lakini abande mpamanyete inkiemine tia karoko ya line ne chama karo Matiang'i abere presidential candidate go say aspirant and declare nganongo takoboli korwa onse koligere UPA ena ambe nyingi abantu mpamanyete UPA ngo exist kere mpamanyete no mbajumbe balenge bwate say for the people bali babwate interest common interest nga oyo boleti obwa MCA so your county assembly na ro manyete nga the number of MCAs imbalenga baralia under that party no Jubilee ya performance bobe sana onse koligere linga ototagete one of our own aboli of president koruen chamaki among the top 3 or the top 2 yebya matora achore UPA ngego to copy because of their performance waliabo oliyegerogie county maybe bogabana or something else at the national level Jubilee as much as here about jumba around 28-29 bado no inkaro kingera qualify because inse kwa portion inse ko banga abajumba abo 29 osembale spread nationally okonyora abale skewed to some area no bachorre. What am I saying? It's an opportunity. Libaga geteli abaire platform gete abaire ase ebiamebi weonia. Like another party na bego takanero era idea saying aneyu eonia and this is the right time. By the time 2027 yego ika na bakonyora abantu barokane bataite ko boli obojumbe obo MCA in that order. Oise kolika former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua iga konya go etie messaging ninje ndonje chama yane omotienyo gatano igo mwensi pimu wanchire mojo kwati chama ya mosoro bono lende no go popularize their political parties. It's business tomanya tenga budget ngoruwe gwere between political parties funding go tere asoka between 1.5 billion to 2 billion depending on the performance ya vyama vya Kenya kuna biye bangire na kabesa hakuna karoku is a big deal ngaligerere nende karobu the members of parliament ya bange na aye na boko ba consulted amangana ya broad based na boko nyoranga kwa bere incorporated into that na kiki ya gara no emba babona ko ba consulted na boko mora no monto geto tabro chimuelekewa with the numbers ya bwate chia ya bajumbe chi count na binto binde
na baisa ina
ya garole tu mesa
sam ndaika
broadly consulted ona
umwako yoiga no mwako gocha abantu mbaso echiro ebyamo ibigendereta ko kwana kigwa mo somo jorengo mukonyi bo murai bense actually nere na ngonya kobekare mirobiri yae egara launch yae igento kende egati ya Jubilee na UPA. Jubilee looks more national than UPA when you compare the two of them. Much as Jubilee ya performance bobe ase orogongoro gose essence ya Kenya gusase gari echakirete. At least you can say nga nere national abite senga njonga na bako nyoranga na yabo mujumbo ya mukare western yo ndaka bako sengu sigaiga ya yo ndaka bako senturukano yo na are taita taveta yo na karande at least nko machiere koroka na correct face area tokurukangere national ikiama gya Jubilee ono korogo cha UPA kidogo iko kuma chikoranga na batu bwato mujumbo ndo bwato mujumbo sema ya Bonchari nere nachore nare national assembly lakini kero kurige the structure of this party andaki na bakoranga iko tore more of a national iko tore more of a region ya gusi kero kubwati kurwa somurai na bari bakomo konya guchinsi lakini ndo all in all matiangi bono roka ne koba umunyaruka gete ya kero muntaga tagete kwa associate nerenga ntabete noyo mangana ne takobia so that's why orochenga yone chama ya Jubilee nyene they have no debating eto bwa the presidential candidate gosenibira ngora aratori gose kero chinga kichechikura chi presidential no rulio bago cha gosokuza lakini bono iga Jubilee ige gaste kolinga lakini to bwa option yende yonse omuntu to bwa tega iga mind no musiki matiang I don't know kara bateba nga maybe tari ko boli yenteke
na comment 30 minutes chiko kolera ni
30 seconds I think asa ko tiga ko boli ngake ngubarata mergo chiga anene mono bakari kori recognize aba bwatani bari bande bona baba Kalonzo aba go se Eugene Wamalu umuntu ba recognize matiang so much as we have this thing na ende bono ntogenda ko ene kyamangana mangi esengenje chingaki but I want to saying ndo was so much excited teatoraganya matiang amanya naiche aroma deliver ali amaraga ndire ngindi gendete ko yatorenga how can we trade again to lose as a
mo director nanga aste sana ntima tingo kwa go sento
chiro message nda korwa Nyamira for the first time to our direction yengia tutaeta molembobe between the two speakers ebe nokero ebe nyabarondubi tikabaligereli a county from the wider picture we are losing a lot and the image nembe bataeta ko toa buno mogusi it has a lot of bearing as an honorable president jogo chakobolikwa. Number 2, we have 2 or 3 candidates vale Korwe region ndobwat Morara
Kebaso
abate neine na bara tuara ikura chia ibere isato ndobwat Maraga na batindiyete sana na umira former councillors na bantu bana majanginaro my appeal ne linga likaba koroka na bata ko antagonize each other because then they direction yera bangia no nyaba kakambale begesa kubona batakeire jinze kina kibata kinga ke kina kibata keire ba John Board na igunga whichever way direction you can take a tech ndoro kananga to affect iri abana baito gose wevo kogorie kero but still omogusi ndobwate chance grace gose enema omoikoli bwo konyore kero gyo president nabo ole gusiga yono sana
Bemono mwanjo murigereri chinza chielire nacho jomo director akariria gonta binga chinza chielire na ngoira nande sekionga chinza nya sekekere mutu chidaka ibere igaisato njeni ngoro kwaru ni ototo nyangiri twengana Dennis Orioki na era Samiyenda Dennis Orioki toko mugwa Dennis Orioki bila gotaba HSC yuna maskania ego ikaegwe asenjera ya bene gora na head of state munego kwane kaigo mwanjo murigeto fuka chiale tomira na chinza nya sekionga chinza nya senjera wikira
yo chipenji na jingi yajira
Shah Ceramics ni gubago kwa a special offer bono iga asachi tile au nokugora chikaton emeronge toto ni gokwa growth kilo isato bosa gokora chikaton meronge tani gokwa kilo isano na isato bosa gokora chikaton emerongo etano ne tato ni gokwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size endonse Niko okoegwa eye asichi brando bego chinde chonspe chi wall tile kitairi chance na boigo chi tile chia 40 by 40 kose 60 by 60 samange ba kresimese number 0703 943972 ajirago cha aseduka ya bere Gansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Ogukwa kwaraliwe wa John Kaunda Mumbo twichande kuralia ogukwa wa John Kaunda Mumbo numwana unyagusira Clement Mumbo na Rosa Kemto Nise Miriam Nyanchama Viola Nyaboke na Sara Kemto Nuyo mwabo Alois Monywa Crisantus Manyange Sabina Kerubo Agnes Mura James Ajando Muchango Nobe Jumatatu chiriki isano ibiri mutinyo kane umwakoyo asinkayaye Butori Nigon ararusiwe enkendu ya Nyangena Jumaine tutaliki isano na isato umutinyi ukane umwakoyo bw'ikirwe nwanse 25 asabirwe na koeni wa Jumatano tutaliki kianda umutinyi ukane umwakoyo bw'ikirwe nwanse 25 asekenyoro kia Butole Kitutu Central Ward Kisi County kurwa studio ya Gatembe Television